So what's the difference between I will cook dinner and I will have cooked dinner in English? Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Before we start, make sure you download your free English grammar booklet from the video description and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. So in this video, we're talking about the future perfect tense in English, how to use it and when to use it. So I will cook dinner and I will have cooked dinner. The first one is the future simple. It's just a statement about something I have decided to do in the future. The second one is the future perfect. It's also about the future, but the emphasis is on a completed action. So I want to emphasize that something will be finished in the future. But let's look at another comparison just to make it even clearer. I will cook dinner at 6. I will have cooked dinner by 6. So the first one is something that I will do at 6, but I don't know how long it will take me to make dinner, and I don't mention anything about it being finished. The second one, by 6, emphasizes that dinner will be finished. And when I say by 6, that is the deadline. So another useful phrase is by the time, which is often used with the future perfect. By the time you come back from work, I will have cooked dinner. So that again is your deadline. Dinner will be finished by the time you come back. You can also change the order of these two parts without changing the meaning. I will have cooked dinner by the time you come back from work. The meaning is the same. It means that when you come back, dinner will be finished. So how do you make a sentence in the future perfect? You need a subject, for example, I or you. Then you need will and have. And finally, you need a past participle. So that's the third form of a verb. For example, I will have cooked. You can also shorten I will. I'll have cooked. In negative sentences, you just add not after will. So I will not have cooked. I won't have cooked. In questions, you start with will. Will you have cooked dinner? Now in the comments, write down your own example of a sentence using the future perfect. And I hope you found this video useful. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and get your free English grammar booklet from the video description. And I'll see you next time. Bye!